Hey friends, today we are going to discuss a question on probability that was asked by one of the students in our free WhatsApp group. And if you need any information or if you need more practice questions, basically advanced level question because CAT is now approaching and you only have 2.5 months to go. So definitely you don't have enough time to juggle on. So if you need any booster sort of practice or maybe a crash course which can revise you all the important things, theorems, shortcuts, non-formula method, some really good advanced level questions which you might have seen in previous year CAT or maybe some CATs, then you can definitely enroll for this booster course, which is starting from September 10. Moving further, this is the detail of the batch, and this is the question that was shared to me. The question says, Apurv and Vikram, they basically play a game in which they roll a six-faced die, alternatively starting from Apurv. Okay, this is Apurv and this is Vikram. The first person is Apurv who start the game. Okay? Each of them keeps on adding the numbers obtained on rolling the die by him, and the first one to get a sum of at least 3 wins the game. Sum agar at least 3 हुआ तो that person would have won the game. So what is the probability of Vikram winning the game? मुझे विक्रम को जिताना है. ठीक है? How would Vikram win? Vikram would win if he has gotten at least 3 का sum in all the dices that he has thrown. ठीक है? तो पहले द फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू बेसिकली आइडेंटिफाई कि कितने इवेंट्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी, मैक्सिमम हाउ मेनी गेम्स कैन बी प्लेड. ठीक है, फर्स्ट गेम कब होगा? व्हेन अपूर्व हैज रोल्ड द डाइस, कुछ आया नंबर एंड देन विक्रम हैज डन. ठीक है, उसके बाद सेकंड गेम होगा जब अपूर्व ने फिर किया, विक्रम ने फिर किया, फिर थर्ड होगा, फिर फोर्थ होगा, राइट? सो मैक्सिमम कितने इवेंट्स की जरूरत है? हाउ डू वी विजुअलाइज दैट? आई नो डाइस में मिनिमम तो 1 आएगा ही आएगा, राइट? व्हिच मींस if nothing happens, he would definitely win in which game? He would definitely win in third game, right? Because अगर उसके तीनों में 1-1-1 भी आया ना विक्रम के, even then Vikram would win. But here is a catch जहां पे most of the students make a mistake. Will the third event be possible? No. Why? Because first chance किसका है? First chance is of Apu. If the first chance would have been of Vikram, then answer would have been different, right? But because first Apu चल रहा है, and even if he has received the minimum value of 1-1-1 यहाँ पे, still Apurv का 3 पहले हो सकता है, right? Then Vikram, and so Apurv might have won the match अगर 3 events होते हैं तो. Hence I know कि विक्रम को गेम जिताना है, so maximum कितने गेम्स होंगे? मैक्सिमम 2 ही गेम्स हो सकते हैं, राइट? सो आई नो कि प्रोबेबिलिटी मुझे निकालनी है ऑफ विक्रम विनिंग. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा इसका मीनिंग? क्या होगा कि या तो विक्रम एक ही गेम में जीत जाएगा, राइट? ईदर विक्रम कैन विन द गेम इन 1 इवेंट और विक्रम कैन विन द गेम इन 2 इवेंट्स, राइट? 1 इवेंट में अगर उसको जीतना है, देन what will be the condition? He will have to have a number which is definitely greater than equals to 3, and at the same time Apurv has to have the number which should be less than 3, right? Which is what, 1 or 2, and greater than equals to 3 matlab 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of Vikram winning is Apurv should have the number less than 3, which is either 1 or 2. So probability is what, 2 by 6, because 2 are my favorable outcomes, 1 or 2, and total outcomes in a dice is 6. And because I'm saying and, so I will be multiplying the terms. Don't make the mistake of adding the terms. So multiplied by, Vikram should have a number greater than equals to 3. So there are 4 possible outcomes, hence 4 by 6. Correct? This is for my first case. Now in my second case, if Vikram has to win in 2 events, which means second mein his sum should be greater than equals to 3, right? Which means first mein his sum can be what? If I are talking about Vikram here, first and second, first mein his sum can be either 1, and yahan pe his sum has to be greater than equals to 2, or what can happen is first mein his sum is his 2, right? Basically he has rolled a dice and the number which has come out is 2, and second mein then his number has to be greater than equals to 1, so he will definitely win, right? And at the same time Apurv should not win, which means in both the events his number should be 1 only, because अगर एक में भी उसका number 1 से ज़्यादा आ गया, then the sum would cross 3 and then Apurv will win. So this is fixed event, right? So how do we write it? We basically say कि let's consider first case. ठीक है? So Apurv should have 1, so probability is 1 by 6. Vikram should also have 1, probability is 1 by 6. Then Apurv again should have 1, probability is 1 by 6, and then Vikram should have greater than equals to 2. So number is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probability will be 5 by 6. Plus I have to add this condition, right? That first mein he has gotten 2 and second mein he get any number. So probability will be Apurv ka 1 into Vikram ka 2 into Apurv ka 1 into Vikram ka any number, right? So probability is 1, or I can say 6 by 6, correct? If I just add these three terms, basically if I solve this expression, I get answer as C, which is 299 by 6 to the power 4. Let me know whether this solution makes sense and how was it. And if you're liking the approach, kindly share your love in the comment section so that we can keep on working towards your doubt and we can keep on making the video so that we can reach out to more audience and we can help you. Thank you.